Have you ever wanted to start your own e-commerce business? If so, you've probably come across the platform AliExpress. AliExpress is a great place to find cheap products to sell, but it can be difficult to add them to your own e-commerce store. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products from AliExpress to DSers. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to add products from AliExpress to your own e-commerce store. This makes it easy to start selling products without having to stock any inventory yourself. Step 1. Create a DSers account. If you don't already have a DSers account, you'll need to create one. You can do this by going to the DSers website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Connect your e-commerce store. Once you have a DSers account, you'll need to connect it to your e-commerce store. There are a number of e-commerce platforms that DSers supports, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Step 3. Find products on AliExpress. Once you've connected your e-commerce store to DSers, you can start searching for products on AliExpress. You can search for products by keyword, category, or price. Step 4. Add products to DSers. Once you've found a product that you want to add to DSers, you can simply click on the Add to Cart button. The product will then be added to your DSers cart. Step 5. Publish products to your e-commerce store. Once you've added products to DSers, you can publish them to your e-commerce store. This will make the products available for your customers to purchase. Adding products from AliExpress to DSers is a great way to start selling products on your own e-commerce store. By following the steps in this video, you can easily add products to DSers and start selling them to your customers. If you have any questions about adding products from AliExpress to DSers, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn how to add products from AliExpress to DSers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on e-commerce.